Hey, it's Sammy on July 8th. We trade YM or Dow futures. We trade 5 contracts for $25 a point. We took 360 points today. We actually came back and took some trades in the afternoon, so we had a little extra in the tank today. Let's take a look at how all these trades played out and how we leverage this powerful tool called the optimizer to take fast, safe, consistent winning trades. So here we are trading pre-market. Of course, we have very weak data because it's pre-market. The liquidity's thin, the price action's not very big, so we trail these. So we have a 10-point trailing stop. That way, if anything happens when we hit these price zones, we get a plus 10. Now you can see we're still pre-market. We're trading right around that volume point of control. What we're doing is coming off of that value area high in yesterday's close, which is short time frame data. Now we're hitting this pink line here called VWAP. As we break through, we're going to trail with a plus 25. Now we've already come through that VWAP line. Now we're heading down towards value area low right here, as well as that red line. So we're really trying to work our way down through these levels. You can see we are trailing with a plus 10 and there's just not enough oomph, so we're going to get a plus 10. Same thing with this trade now. You can see we reversed. We're coming back up through VPOC and VWAP. We had some data over to the left and was really pushing up nice, had about 15 points. We're going to trail with a plus 6. This is the open. You can see how fast the market ripped right down to our checkpoint, that 23.6, that deviation 1 low down there, value area low. Snaps back up and takes us out with a break even. We just weren't quick enough. Now that data really grew, so we're punching through value area low, punching through deviation 1. As we hit this second yellow line down here, that's our deviation 2. We're going to go ahead and trail and make sure we lock in with our trailing stop. We're going to hit a plus 34 points. So as this market is trying to break through the second deviation level down to the third, we're going to try and re-enter, but we're going to go ahead and protect this trade because this is a statistically significant place. We're going to take a break even on this trade. All right, all of our data has decayed now, and we are actually going long off of deviation 2. We're coming back up through VWAP and these areas, as you can see, just short time frame data heading back up through the open. And we're going to go ahead and trail. You can see we're moving our stop loss up to a plus 31. We're going to lock in right there. All right, you can see the market. We're going to break through. I got that checkpoint right there. We're going to punch right through that. Watch all this data light up as we go long again. So we're breaking through deviation 1, value area high, testing yesterday's close. As price goes up and hits this aqua band to slash this 38.2, we're going to manually lock in 46 points. One of the most powerful things you can do is learn to read data that moves with the market in real time. That's why we use the optimizer. Now we're coming off of that 38.2, that high there, and we're coming back down short. We're going to trail and we're going to lock in 39 points. You can see we kind of got stuck right there at that checkpoint or that VWAP, that pink line buried in there. This is a new 1 hour and 4 hour bar at 10 a.m. and we're punching right through. Watch all this data lights up real time and we're going to trail and hit 52 points. So you can see we locked that 52 points when we tap that yellow line. That's our deviation 2. We rolled up and we're coming back through now. So we're going to re-enter because we have a ton of data supporting the short down to the overnight low. Now we're just manually going to close 30 points as we come back down. I just got back from the gym, having a little lunch. It's right around 1 o'clock here. You can see we're shorting through deviation 1 and value area low. All of our data came back into confluence. As we hit that yellow band, that deviation 2 and overnight low, we're going to lock in 32 points. You can see the market pulled back and gave us another opportunity. All that data rolled over. We're actually exploiting a new 15-minute candle right now, and we're going to trail this all the way down and end up with 41 points. Look at this momentum, sentiment, and volatility. all in our favor. No guesswork, no gambling, just consistent winning trade.